Today, we're diving into the world of electric vehicles and the recent shocking statements made by the Toyota CEO. Is he onto something, or is he out of touch? Let's find out. Earlier this year, Akio Toyoda, the chairman of Toyota, stirred the EV industry with his strong words. He's been skeptical about electric vehicles, even though Toyota is known for its innovation. He argues that EVs are not the only way to reach carbon neutrality. Toyota points to slowing sales in the US as evidence that people are realizing the limitations of EVs. While global EV sales increased by 63% in 2022, the growth rate has tapered to 49% in 2023. In the US, automakers like GM and Ford are contemplating reducing electric pickup production due to lower than expected demand. It's not just Toyota standing against the EV tide. Ford is slowing production of its F-150 Lightning pickup, while General Motors is adjusting its EV plans after a labor strike. Both companies are still committed to carbon neutrality, but they're mindful of their customers' preferences. Toyota believes in offering options that cater to various customer needs, including hybrids. They argue that hybrids can be practical and greener alternative to pure EVs. Toyota is a global leader in hybrid vehicles, with a track record of over 15 million units sold. Toyota is not ignoring the EV wave. They're working on a new EV platform tailored for electric vehicles, investing in battery research, and aiming to double driving range and reduce costs. They're exploring technologies like solid-state batteries and bipolar nickel-hydrogen batteries. While Toyota faces tough competition from Tesla, they believe their experience, quality, and global presence will help them catch up. Toyota has some electric vehicles in the pipeline, like the 2023 bZ4X and the 2024 Crown. Akio Toyoda's perspective, though met with skepticism, makes sense in the broader context of the industry's transition. Toyota believes in offering a range of options, catering to different customer needs and preferences. They have a strong reputation for quality, reliability, and innovation, which gives them an edge over their competitors. Toyota's commitment to hybrid vehicles is not to be taken lightly. They argue that hybrid vehicles are a more practical and affordable alternative to pure EVs. These vehicles use both a gasoline engine and an electric motor to power the wheels, reducing fuel consumption and emissions. Toyota's global leadership in hybrid technology, with over 15 million units sold since 1997, supports this stance. One of the critical factors in the success of electric vehicles is battery technology. Toyota recognizes this and is investing heavily in battery research and development. Their aim is to become a world leader in battery EV energy consumption. They're exploring innovative technologies such as solid-state batteries and bipolar nickel-hydrogen batteries. Solid-state batteries have the potential to revolutionize the EV industry. They offer double the range of conventional batteries and can be charged in as little as 10 minutes. However, solid-state batteries are not ready for mass production yet, and Toyota faces competition from other companies also pursuing this technology. Tesla, with its dominant position in the EV market, is a formidable competitor. Tesla's market capitalization reached $1 trillion in October 2023, making it the most valuable automaker globally. However, Toyota believes that their decades of experience, commitment to quality, and global presence will help them catch up in the long run. While Toyota has been cautious in the past, they do have electric vehicles in the works. The 2023 bZ4X, Toyota's first dedicated all-electric vehicle, is a compact SUV with a starting MSRP of $42,000. It features a spacious interior, a solar recharging system, and all-wheel drive capability with X mode. Additionally, the 2024 Crown, a luxury sedan sold exclusively in Japan, is based on Toyota's dedicated battery electric platform, with an electric motor that delivers 201 horsepower and a battery pack, providing a range of up to 249 miles on a single charge. In the ever-evolving world of electric vehicles, Toyota's CEO has raised some valid points. Whether you agree with his views or not, the automotive industry is undergoing a significant transformation. What do you think about Toyota's approach to EVs and their strategy for the future? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the automotive world.